Mango seasons are here. This is the only recipe you need it. This costs just 8.5 dirhams and gives you 19 grams of protein with 7 grams of fiber. Perfect for breakfast or a healthy snack during the day. You only need 3 ingredients to make this creamy mango chia delight. Mango, Greek yogurt and soaked chia seed. Let me show you how to do it. First step, we have chopped 200 grams of mango. Mangoes are high in vitamin C, which is good for your skin, very high in beta carotene, which is good for your eyes, and also have digestive enzyme, which helps for your digestion. And it is also naturally sweet, so this recipe doesn't need any added sugar. We are going to divide this mango in 2 parts. One, we are going to make a pure smoothie, which is we are going to blend with the Greek yogurt. And the other half, we are going to finely chop it, use it as our topping for texture and fresh bite. Let's separate it and add the other half to the blender to make it a fine smoothie. Make sure it's blended well and there is no chunks. It's smooth, creamy puree. Let's pour back into the bowl. Our puree is ready. Let's add 150 grams of Greek yogurt. This is going to be their main source of protein in this dish. Let's use a whisk to mix it well until it combines and there is no lumps. Finally, I have a 1 tablespoon of soaked chia seed in 100 ml of water. This is the texture you want. Soak it for minimum 30 minutes to get the same texture. Now let's start assembling. Let's add the chia seed. Now let's add the mango yogurt mixture. Look at these 2 layers. It's already taking shape and still we have one more step to do it. Let's add the remaining finely chopped mangoes. Look at this, how beautiful it looks. You can have it right away, but it's better if you can chill it for 30 minutes or else you can leave it overnight in your refrigerator for quick breakfast in the next morning. This one serving gives you 294 calories, 42 grams of carb, 19 grams of protein and 5 grams of fat. Moreover, it gives you 7 grams of fiber and it costs just 8.5 dirham to make. Let's try it. Make sure you take all 3 layers of it. Creamy, perfectly sweet. It's naturally sweet and chia is combining everything very well. Let me know which is your favorite mango in comment. This is how flavor meets fingers.